The Orchha Fort complex, which houses a large number of ancient monuments consisting of the fort, palaces, temple and other edifices, is located in the Orchha town in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. The fort and other structures within it were built by the Bundela Rajputs starting from the early 16th century by King Rudra Pratap Singh of the Orchha state and others who followed him. The fort complex, which is accessed from an arched causeway, leads to a large gateway. This is followed by a large quadrangular open yard surrounded by palaces. These are Raja Mahal or Raja Mandir, Sheesh Mahal, Jahangir Mahal, a temple, gardens and pavilions. The palaces and temples within the fort complex were built over a period of time by successive Maharajas of the Orchha state. The Raja Mahal, where the kings and the queens had resided till it was abandoned in 1783, was built in the early part of 16th century. Jahangir Mahal is a palace that was exclusively built by Singh in 1605 to honour the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, who was a guest of the Maharaja for one night only. The domes are built according to Timurid customs, and the gates, or iwans, are large enough to allow entry of war elephants.